Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color a cute unicorn. Let's begin. Unicorn has a shiny, spiral horn on its forehead that glows with a magical light. The unicorn loves to gallop through enchanted forests and fields of flowers. It is gentle, kind, and loves to make friends. With its magic, the unicorn can make wishes come true and fill the world with wonder and joy. Unicorn loves to gallop through enchanted forests. Can you pretend to gallop like a unicorn? Unicorn can make wishes come true. What would you wish for if you met a unicorn? Unicorn fills the world with wonder and joy. What makes you feel happy and full of wonder? And we're ready to add colors to this unicorn. Let's start with light shade of pink. Then, color white. Next is color pink. We have color yellow. Then, color orange. A color purple. Next is color blue. And then, color green. Wonderful! Unicorn is a magical and beautiful creature that looks like a horse but with a special twist. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.